Okay, so this is a demonstration run of the CNC router that I'm building, and right now I don't have the cutter in there, so I positioned a pen or a marker so that I could see what it's going to actually do. So I'm going to go over here and push cycle start and click, and then the machine should start moving, and it's going to move over there onto the piece of paper, and then it's going to lower the pen, hopefully. There we go, and now we're going to start drawing a little bit, not that precise, but it's kind of cool. So it's going to draw hopefully like a picture frame, but let me show the rest of the setup. So here's the Mach 3 software, and then it's connected to 4 drivers. Power supply is over there, and then we got a motor with the driver for the motor, and there's 1 motor, 2 motor down there, 3 motor, and then the 4th motor, which makes everything go up and down. So as you can see, let's see, we've drawn the outer, and this is the cool part. As soon as it completes the thing, the loop, it should lift up and move over so it can draw the outside. And imagine if this was a cutter instead of the pen. Basically it would move over, and then it would go down and start cutting again. So there it goes, and it's going to start drawing, and it's kind of neat. I guess I could show how the motor works. Motor spins, and then these rails, which I actually welded that together. And we have this structure of wood. I'm kind of babbling, but oh well. And this is the other side that got attached. Kind of crude right now, but you know, version 2.0 will probably be a little bit better. Let's see how the drawing is doing. Okay, so got a few more 1 minute, I guess. I continue running this, but for the people that are curious, the motors for the x-axis are NEMA 34s, and also for the y-axis are 34s, and the one for the z-axis, which is this, is NEMA 23. And right now it's running just an old Windows PC, Windows 7, with a parallel port breakout board, but hopefully I'm going to change that. So let's see, it should complete and then lift up, and then it's going to start hopefully moving itself back. Oh, I know what it's doing now. Oh, it's gonna go home. So anyways, let me stop this. And so I stopped the table, but as you can see, it drew the picture frame, which I basically drew it up on Fusion 360, which is kind of like AutoCAD program that is actually free. Anybody can use it online. It's web-based. It's really cool. So anyways, I guess this is my first CNC router video, and the table is about 9 feet by 5 feet. Okay, well, that's it. Thanks for watching.